How to fix Discord cannot upload file issue? Well, to fix Discord file upload failures, you want to start by restarting your Discord application. So whether you're using mobile application or the PC version, you want to force close the application. Simply click the cross and then reopen it again and see if the issue is fixed. If you're on Windows, you can press Ctrl plus R as well, or Command plus R on Mac to force a quick update refresh as well. Now also remember that free accounts are limited to sending per file size for 25 MB per file. So Nitro Basic handles up to 50 MB and Nitro Standard covers up to 500 MB. So make sure that if your file size is higher than the limit, you can reduce your image resolution, zip your folders, or if you are using video, then you can crop it, split it into different folders and files. So you can also share via Cloud Link. So what you can do is you can upload to clouds like Google Drive or such, and you can upload the file and share the link directly here on Discord. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.